Voyager 1, the spacecraft that ventured on a nearly impossible journey decades ago, still moves on beyond the boundaries we believed we could never reach. It has gone millions of kilometers, traversing huge areas of space that were before never explored by a human-made vehicle. The more astonishing thing is that this space vehicle, which was launched in 1977, is still transmitting important data from the farthest corners of the solar system. With its age and antediluvian technology, Voyager 1 continues to present us with historic discoveries, sending data which puts into question everything we believed about the universe. With every new piece of information it sends, we become further enlightened about the universe, fueling scientists' curiosity and fueling debates regarding what exists beyond our known limits of space. Voyager 1, launched in 1977, had a distinct purpose: to explore the outer planets of our solar system, collect precious information, and someday, cross the unseen barrier that divides our solar system from interstellar space. Having completed flybys of Jupiter and Saturn with ease, and returned unprecedented photographs and scientific information, Voyager 1 pushed on into the unknown. Its purpose was not merely to explore known planets, but to return information that might someday help us learn more about our place in the universe. In 2012, Voyager 1 reached a monumental milestone by becoming the first human-made object to officially exit the solar system. By passing beyond the heliopause, it left interstellar space, marking a new era in space travel and signaling that human's arm was much farther than anybody had ever conceived. Today, over 47 years since it was sent into space, Voyager 1 has again amazed us. It has picked up something on the periphery of our solar system, something scientists never thought was possible. The heliopause is the edge that defines the end of the sun's influence. Outside this boundary, the solar wind vanishes and the space environment transforms significantly. What was previously considered to be a mysterious, well-defined boundary now seems very much more complicated. The information Voyager 1 is returning tests our knowledge of the outer reaches of the solar system, suggesting that there are many more complexities to be found than we could ever have anticipated. What Voyager 1 continues to discover on the perimeter of the heliopause has ignited the fantasy of scientists and space buffs both, implying we have only started to scratch the surface of where we can explore in space. The heliopause is essentially a shield defense, formed by the solar wind, that guards us against all the dangerous cosmic particles from the galaxy. This shield defines the limit at which the solar system's shielding effect ends and the interstellar vacuum starts. Yet Voyager 1's crossing of this boundary has exposed it to phenomena that scientists never previously examined so intensely. These phenomena seem to be challenging our existing knowledge of physics. The spacecraft has been transmitting data that indicate variations in the magnetic field, a form of vibration in the fabric of interstellar space that was previously undetectable. These unforeseen variations indicate that there are forces at work near the edge of the heliopause that we have not yet fully grasped. As Voyager 1 travels on, scientists are struggling to comprehend the implications of this finding, which may undermine long-standing scientific assumptions and pave the way for new research into the nature of space outside our solar system. Recent measurements by Voyager 1 have left scientists perplexed by showing variations in the magnetic field, a process that was not anticipated in interstellar space. The magnetic field in that area was thought to be almost constant, but Voyager 1's observations indicate otherwise. These changes are being termed vibrations or ripples in the interstellar space fabric, which until now had never been seen. These unanticipated changes indicate the existence of some unknown activity close to the heliopause that scientists could not detect previously. The potential for new, unrecognized forces working at the periphery of our solar system is an intriguing one. It may be a whole new kind of energy or some unknown cosmic phenomenon. The significance of such a discovery has great-reaching implications, expanding the limits of scientific knowledge and extending the scope of our understanding of the universe. As Voyager 1 transmits more information, it becomes apparent that we might have encountered phenomena that are way beyond our existing understanding of space and physics. Scientists now are contemplating the possibility that the changes in the magnetic field are a type of energy that we have never experienced before. This power may not only be novel but may also be the solution to the mysteries of deeper cosmic events that have been beyond our reach before. Some scientists think these fluctuations may be echoes from deep regions of the universe, reverberations from outer space that have never been observed before now. These hypotheses, speculative as they are interesting because they imply that Voyager 1 is detecting cosmic events of which we were previously unaware. Another theory is that these fluctuations might be due to some unknown force external to the solar system. If that is the case, it would mean that our solar system is being affected by forces from much farther away than we can now reach or understand. These theories have the potential to fundamentally change how we perceive our position in the universe and the forces that govern it. One theory that has received a lot of attention is that the heliopause is interacting with streams of energy coming from within the Milky Way or even from far-off regions of the universe. These currents of energy may be from stellar winds, from nearby stars, or even from further away and possibly unidentified sources. If these streams of energy are actually causing the magnetic field fluctuations, then they might give a new insight into how the solar system communicates with the rest of the galaxy. These currents could represent an interstellar connection that we've never been aware of before, suggesting that our solar system is not an isolated entity but part of a larger cosmic network. If this hypothesis holds true, it would have profound implications for our understanding of space, energy, and the fundamental forces that govern the universe. To some scientists, these cryptic energy fluctuations are a call to arms. Voyager 1 could have stumbled upon a completely new type of energy, or perhaps a sort of cosmic web that is linking our solar system to the rest of the galaxy. If such energy streams do exist, we might soon find ourselves on the verge of identifying a new physical interaction, one that could revolutionize our understanding of the universe. Such a find would reveal to us how energy moves between stars and solar systems, allowing for communication and interaction across great expanses of space. This would not only alter our perception of the solar system but also reveal a basic structure that might allow us to comprehend the nature of the universe itself. The possibilities of such a find are mind-boggling and could transform the way we view the cosmos. Voyager 1's mission has truly been a voyage of discovery into the unknown, a one-way journey that has pushed the boundaries of humanity's knowledge. Each new signal it transmits is a reminder of just how much we do not know about the outer reaches of our solar system. The spacecraft's instruments, while conceived in the 1970s, have greatly surpassed projections in terms of their ability to provide insightful scientific information. Even though Voyager 1 has been decades old, it still stands as our most sophisticated equipment we have out at the furthest edges of the solar system. It is still giving scientists invaluable information not foreseen when it was sent into space. As the spacecraft ventures further into interstellar space, it is a silent observer to the universe's secrets, reminding us of the depth and diversity of the cosmos, and beckoning future generations of explorers to venture further into the unknown. Voyager 1's findings have encouraged the scientific community to push on, to create new spacecraft that can travel further, and to learn more about the universe's deepest mysteries. With each new discovery and bit of data returned by the spacecraft, humanity gets a little closer to understanding answers to questions that have stumped us for centuries. As Voyager 1 paves the way into the unknown, humankind is readying itself for the next stage of space exploration. Someday, with technology's continued advancement, humans will be able to traverse the same boundary Voyager 1 has, and maybe even venture into what is beyond the heliopause. The venturing into deep space will not end with Voyager 1's mission. Rather, it will ignite humanity's passion and thirst for knowledge, compelling us to explore even deeper into the universe. One of the most influential personalities in the space sector, Elon Musk, has followed Voyager 1's unprecedented finds with keen interest. According to Musk, this new information might hasten the creation of interstellar spacecraft that can beat the present technological limits inhibiting our venture into space. With SpaceX, Musk has his eyes on the outer reaches of space, and this find has only strengthened his resolve to create new, more advanced technologies for future exploration. Musk's work is driven by the conviction that humanity needs to go beyond the solar system and find new frontiers in space. While Voyager 1 continues to reveal hitherto unseen phenomena, others like Musk and the rest of the space business are being forced to innovate and develop technology to such an extent, hoping that one day subsequent generations will take up missions beyond those that Voyager 1 has taken. It is Musk's confidence that data from Voyager 1 will set the stage for a new period of interstellar exploration based on the belief that there are more secrets in the universe waiting to be discovered. He believes the recent findings reinforce the idea that there are still vast unknowns out there, waiting for humanity